Colorful leafy plants. In today's video you will see some colorful leafy plants. See my orchid flowers. This kind of orchid flowers are blooming in the month of December. So friends, today you will see some colorful leaves from my garden and I suggest you also have them in your garden. So one of the plants that you must have in your garden to color it, decorate it, is the Dracaena plant. Dracaena plant is very easy to grow from stem cuttings, especially in the month of December. You can put them in water to propagate, or else you can put them directly in soil. And there are many varieties. Look at this Dracaena and look at this one. They are very colorful. They are colored by the nature, and these nature colored plants are decorative plants, best house plants. So the next beautiful colorful plant is the pandanus plant, which you can grow even without fertilizer. Put them in huge planters, you will see amazing growth. Keep at the entrance, you will see this beautiful variegated leafy plant will decor your home. So the next beautiful plant here, I have the aglaonema, pink aglaonema, and it looks really amazing, as if it is colored by someone, isn't it? Looks like a painting. Here are many varieties of aglaonema, Chinese evergreen plant. Now whenever you see some yellowing leaves, put them off, cut them off, because the energy of the plant is going to dry that leaf, and finally you will see many of the leaves are getting yellow. So the yellow leaves you must always cut off. So these are some of the Chinese evergreen plants which are really very beautiful and decorative for your home garden. Having philodendron plants, beautiful golden philodendron. They are also very colorful with their colors of yellow and golden looking leaves. Absolutely beautiful. What do you think? Would you like to add them in your garden? These are low maintenance and permanent plants as well. Another variety of prayer plant. There are many varieties, and look at this one. These plants also grows well in the shade if you have kept them in the garden, and they are beautiful house plants. When you keep them indoors, you don't need to water them on regular basis. Look at this Aralia plant. I put them on the ground now. I had them in my planters and I thought of putting them in the ground. I have few plants of this Aralia plant. Wooden plants. These plants are very decorative. You can put them either indoors or outdoors. Very colorful variegated leafy plants, and here I have another variety. This prayer plant. I brought only a small plant, now it has grown so big. Nature colors. Very attractive. This green plant, a beautiful house plant. The plants that I show you today are all house plants. They are all decorative plants. Umbrella plant, another beautiful variegated leafy plant. They also grow from stems, low maintenance and permanent plants. The dust plant. They are also variegated. Leaves are so attractive. And here I have this beautiful triangular ficus plant.